Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where we bring our wildest imagination to life. Today is a special day because we are diving into part 4 of our creature creation series. So, without any further ado, let's start and dive into our creature creation. So, first, we are in the Procreate and selecting a canvas for our new creature. So the canvas is 2048 by 2048 square canvas. It's time to embark on the next chapter of our creature series. But before we begin, let's jump into the last. As promised in the last video, it's time to officially name our latest creation. Drum roll please, say hello to Gigi, our marvelous creature from the depths of imagination. I chose her name Gigi because it was giving a vibe of giraffe. So I thought, why not Gigi? So yeah. Now let's jump back into Procreate and continue our artistic journey. But before we begin, let's choose a vibrant color palette to set the mood of our creation. I have got a fantastic palette here that I think will bring out the best of our new friend. I have chosen a egg-like color for our new creation as I am inspired with an egg for our new friend. So let's start. I am starting with the basic shape and outlines, allowing the creature to take form organically. So firstly, as per always, we will create a circle and take it to the center but below the vertical center, and then go to the range, select drawing guide and select edit drawing guide and select symmetry. Now select the range and then hold it and place it to the center. Then go to the magic wand and select liquefy and select push and give a shape to your creature's body. So I'll go with this shape here. Now I'll add some ears, like a wobbly wavy ears. You don't need to be perfect. You can draw whatever comes in your mind, anything. So this is the yoke kind of part for the belly. I'll give a small cute nose and eyes. Making it cute as possible as I can. You will see me removing it, creating it back. That's just a part of the process. Just go with the flow. So making a small nose, tiny bit, teeny tiny small cute eyes, and that's it. The face is done. Play with it, whichever you like, draw and just go with the flow. So filling the eyes as the face is done. Now I'll add paws adding some details like inner part of the ear and some shapes to add some more details to the creature. Erasing the non-needed part like the extras which you don't need, removing that from the ears and the paws. So yeah, as we progress, you will see the layers of our creature comes to life, each stroke adding a layer of uniqueness to it. Now we will jump into the color. Going with the color palette selected before, like a egg color themed. So choosing that all colors which are similar to egg. So adding dark in the inner parts and light in the outer. And obviously I forget the blush, but you can add it. I didn't add it in this video also. Hopefully the next I'll remember. But yeah. Creating this creature is not just about the final result. It's about the journey, the imagination and the joy of bringing something entirely new into existence. So just go with the flow and make your imagination flow with your pen. I am adding some swirls like wavy patterns to the body to give him more detail. Yeah. And I think I am done with the details part, and I'll jump into the shadows in a bit, adding some highlights and filling the color. Now this is my basic base of the creature. Now adding the shadows for more details. And always remember, shadows on one side, highlights on one side, as I say it in my whole series of this video. Yeah. See, all the highlights are on my left and the shadows will be on the right. So yeah. And now time for the shadows. Going to add a layer and select it to the multiply. Choose the base color and there you have it. You can add your own shadows to anything. You will not see much of the shadows because as the base is already too light to be seen. So yeah, there is not much of a difference, but yeah, the details which counts. filling it whole properly and adding some bits and bobs here and there. See, you cannot see much of that color popping, but yeah, there is a light difference. See, and there you have it, folks, the beginning of our new creature. Don't forget to name him on the comments down below so I can select your name. You all are not suggesting me the name, so I am putting my own names in each and every episode of this. I hope you suggest the names so I can keep and give him or her a new name. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share your thoughts on what you want to see in the next video. Just finishing up with the highlights and shadows, making it more thick so you all can see. But yeah, that's it for this video. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next episode of our creature creation series. I hope you liked this video. Give the like and share with your family and friends. And that's all about it. I'll sign it up and end it. Here you have it. Our cute little egg creation. Like, not egg creation. Which resembles egg. Yeah. So there you have it. If you like it, hit the like button. Please subscribe and I'll meet you in the next. Bye bye.